Scalar torsion dynamics in unified cosmogenesis, the foundation of Nudimmud physics. Understanding how the universe works at its smallest and largest scales is one of the biggest goals in modern physics. Two key theories, quantum mechanics which explains the very small and general relativity which explains the very large, like stars and galaxies, have both been extremely successful. However, when scientists try to combine them into one single theory that works in all situations, especially under extreme conditions like the beginning of the universe, major problems arise, such as infinities and contradictions. This study introduces a new approach called Nudimmud physics, which aims to unify these two major theories using a simplified model that combines elements of gravity, quantum theory, and string theory. The team created a special mathematical formula, known as a scalar potential, that describes how the universe could evolve over time, even allowing for a bounce instead of a singular Big Bang, which avoids the problem of the universe starting from an infinitely small point. Using computer simulations, the model showed that the universe could undergo a smooth bounce and continue expanding in a way that closely matches real-world data. It predicts slightly higher levels of galaxy clustering and a faster rate of expansion, the Hubble constant, than current models, which lines up well with some modern observations. In simple terms, Nudimmud physics offers a new and testable explanation for how the universe began and how it behaves at both quantum and cosmic scales. It avoids the usual theoretical complications and singularities, making it a powerful and more straightforward tool for future cosmology research. This approach could bring scientists closer to a true theory of everything by providing a bridge between the small-scale world of quantum particles and the large-scale structure of the cosmos. Introduction. Scientists once thought the universe expanded at a steady pace, but observations of distant supernovas showed it's actually speeding up. This surprising discovery suggested most of the universe is made of a mysterious force called dark energy. At the same time, two major physics theories, general relativity which explains gravity and quantum mechanics which explains tiny particles, struggle to work together, especially when trying to understand the universe's beginning. To help solve this, researchers developed a new idea called Nudimmud physics. This model combines concepts from other leading theories but in a simpler way. It focuses on something called scalar torsion, a special property of space that might explain both the universe's rapid expansion and its early moments without the usual problems. Simulations show this model avoids big issues like singularities, points of infinite density, and matches current observations. This makes Nudimmud physics a promising step toward explaining how the universe truly works. Conclusion. This study introduces Nudimmud physics, a new and simplified theory that tackles some of the biggest puzzles in modern physics, like what happened at the beginning of the universe and how gravity works on the tiniest scales. Traditional theories struggle to explain these mysteries, especially the idea of a singularity or a point of infinite density. Nudimmud physics avoids this issue by using a new type of equation that combines elements of space geometry, torsion, and energy fields, scalar fields. The model has been tested through detailed computer simulations, showing stable results even when key values are changed. It accurately predicts how the universe expanded and how galaxies cluster together, matching real data from modern telescopes. This theory also connects well with other big ideas in physics, like string theory and loop quantum gravity, but with fewer complications. Nudimmud physics offers a practical and testable path forward for understanding the universe's deepest secrets. This important article is authored by the following scientists: Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.